Do you want to achieve a beautiful display of roses with an abundance of blooms in your garden? Whether in a border or a container, to get the best out of your roses, it's really important to feed them weekly through spring and summer. Westland Rose High Performance Liquid Plant Food has been tailored to meet the needs of roses for longer lasting, more fragrant flowers with greener and glossier foliage and a healthier plant. It's rich in organic matter which improves the soil structure so roses thrive. Westland Liquid Plant Food contains a water absorption system to distribute water to all parts of the soil to help keep roots healthy and minimise risk of disease. It contains protected iron and magnesium to assist with plant energy uptake and to capture light. It also has added seaweed and high potassium levels for healthy growth and an abundance of fragrant flowers. What's more, it's pet, child and bee friendly, meaning you don't have to worry. To use, simply pour 50 millilitres of feed into the dosing cup and add to 4.5 litres of water in a watering can. Water your roses and watch them grow in abundance of healthy, beautiful blooms. Be careful not to get any feed on the foliage. For even better results, plant your roses in Westland Rose planting and potting mix to really help the plants thrive.